So that's my old exhaust. Put it out the back here because I don't want to use it anymore. It's rusty and I just don't like it. This is a really bad exhaust. I want to go with a high exhaust. I don't want a low. I might get a high exhaust. I haven't decided yet. Haven't bought an exhaust, but I just don't like this one. I mean, look at all that rust and stuff. Let's get something new. Something new. Never liked that exhaust. But here's another bad problem that I got. When taking the swing arm off, I went to undo this bolt here and it didn't turn, so I gave it a bit of a whamp and yeah, it's gone, sheared off. So annoyingly I spent like an hour cleaning it on one side and just, you know, removed a lot of the, you know, started taking off some of the rust and stuff, and yeah, it snapped. So now I have to get a new one. More coats of paint on my wheels. Hopefully they'll come out alright. I was going to paint these white, but I think they might look better gold. Now I could buy gold handlebars and put them on, but this is just this is something I can buy later, like another, because you actually, so handlebars, decent set of handlebars is about 50 quid, but you have to buy an adapter plate for another 50, so it's like 100 quid just for handlebars, just for a different colour set of handlebars. So if I just repaint these, then that's a big saving. So I think I'll try it with these handlebars. It doesn't cost really nothing to try, it's just a bit of primer and a bit of paint. It's not too much, whereas if I was to switch it over straight away, that would be quite a lot. And also I painted that, so that can be, that's all primed now, so that can be painted white. Well, even though it is white, but that's the primer. So yeah, I'm going to spray paint this one gold. So this is the front wheel, I think. Is this the front one? I think this is the front one. Just need to put some lacquer on. This stuff stinks. A few layers of painting. Right, so that's 3 layers-ish of lacquer on that one. Turn the bars over, do the last layer, and then they're lacquered and done. Yes. Are you going to poop in the garden? Oh, ding ding ding. Ding ding ding, ding ding ding, ding ding ding. Layers of paint later. Looking white, looking all white. This paint can exploded, so I was spraying, and then suddenly, instead of going through the front bit, it suddenly started coming through all the sides. Kind of annoying. About half a can left as well. So today the wheels are done. They've been all lacquered and everything, so they're looking alright. Not bad for a 20 quid job. They look alright. Paint looks okay. Passable. I'm not a professional, so I'm not going to, don't worry. The front, this is all done now. This is all looking quite good. Not too bad indeed. I actually like this. It's a bit rough in some spots, but it's not too bad from very far away. No, it's not too bad actually. It came out alright. There's a couple of mistakes, as you can see here and there, but nothing massive. This is where the can went wrong. I was spraying here and it just went sideways everywhere and made a big mess, so I've had to retouch up some spots, but luckily most of it's like hidden, or will be hidden hopefully. And yeah, they've been lacquered, so these are all done now. Don't know, white and gold. See how that comes out, but this is all this has just been lacquered, so this stinks. This stinks. They were lacquered yesterday, so that's alright. Then painting this one now, so it's going to be this. This is the front plate, I'm going to put another layer of primer on this, and that's ready. That's going to be where I put the headlight, I think. And then this is going to be white front fender. So I've cleaned this up a bit, so it's a lot better than it was. It's ready to go back on the bike, and it starts to be put back together again. And I've also done, so we've got white and black. So it's going to be white and black, not too bad. Done now as well. Front fender. I'm probably going to mount some sort of headlight to that. I have to work out how to do it all, put it all back together, I guess. Hopefully have a rolling frame by the end of this week. Top of my petrol tank, treated the rust underneath. Not going to paint underneath because you don't see the underneath, you only see the top bit. And I'm still not sure if I want to put an aftermarket one and get a bigger tank yet or not. So at the moment I'm just doing that. And hopefully, after I do all that, this one should be dry hopefully tomorrow. No, I've still got to do a final coat of liqueur, and then maybe I can start reassembling this bike and putting it all together. Spring arm's broken. Put a new one. It should go in about here. So that should look quite alright. Black and white. The black underbelly. Which way does the bolt go through? Well, if I just look at my original, I can see the bolt comes through this way. So it's actually quite lucky that I have this bike here, because I would not have remembered. I remember where the bolts go, but which way round did it go? Did it feed through this way or did it feed through this way? So this is a kip speed, KEPSPD racing parts. Tell you, it's a lot lighter than the other one. A lot lighter. So you know what that means? It means that it's going to go faster. Less weight. Less weight. More speed. But I will need to re-grease this. The exhaust bracket's got to go on here. Okay, well, we're not going to put the exhaust bracket on yet. I'll take it off and put it back because I'm not sure what exhaust I'm going to get. So I'm going to put an exhaust bracket on here, and that will be the extra bit that it needs, because I forgot that's where the exhaust bracket goes on, but I'm not going to put it on until we get it up, at least.